So you've got a finished video ready to be uploaded to Google Drive. What's next? First, you can choose to trim your video so only a portion of it is published. Move these sliders to position where you want your video to start and end. The section in between the sliders will be saved and uploaded. To publish your entire recording, make sure the sliders are at the start and end of your video. You can also press the E key to jump to the end slider or the S key to jump to the start slider. We recommend you record at 720p, which will give you the best results when uploading. If you didn't record at one of the HD sizes, you can still resize and reposition the video to fill the 720p size, which we cover in another tutorial. When you're ready to upload your finished recording, click the menu icon here to display all of your upload options. Select Google Drive. If this is the first time you are uploading to your Google Drive, you will be prompted to add your account. Grant our screen recorder access to upload to your Google Drive account. Once you finish this process, you will see the publishing settings for this upload. Click Account if you want to add another account or switch to a different account. Click Name to change the title of your video. Here, you can choose the folder where you want to store your upload. Select the sharing option here. If you'd like to hide or highlight your cursor, click the cursor field and select one of these options. Finally, you can increase or decrease the quality of the video, which can help speed up the upload process. Click Publish to upload your video. After your video is uploaded, get a link to copy or use quick share buttons to easily share to Facebook or Twitter. You can always find these links again by clicking the history icon, which displays a history of all the publishing you've done from your current computer. Visit our website to learn about all of our other features.